In this lab scenario, you will see the communication of two different networks. You will use two routers and two PCs. You will use the generic routers here, the router 0 and the router 1. We will use two PCs. These PCs will be in different networks. And we will connect these routers with crossover cable. Their capacitance 0 interfaces, and we will use also crossover cable for PC to router connection. Firstly, I will write the IP addresses of the subnets, the router interfaces, and the PCs. For here, I will use 10.0.0.10 subnet, and for this network, I will use 20.0.0.0 subnet, and for here, I will use 30.0.0.0. It's 24 subnet mask. And for PC interface, I will use this one, and for this PC, I will use this IP address, and also the router interface of this IP address will be 20.0.0.12, and for the other will be 30.0.0.2. Yes, this will be our router and PC interfaces. For the interfaces between the routers, I will also need an IP address, and I will give 10.0.0.1 here and 10.0.0.2 here. As you can see, these IP addresses needs to be in the same network. For here there is a one network, for here there is a one network, and for here there is another network. Now we can see the whole IP addresses of the interfaces, and it's time to configure these interfaces. Let's start with PCs. It's okay for PC 0 and for PC 1. It's okay for PC 1 too. And now let's configure our router interfaces. We'll start with router 0. First, I will go to enable mode, then conf terminal, interface, capacitance 00, IP address 10.0.0 and 1, as you can see here. I will configure the other interface that is looking to the PC. Oh, sorry. Yes, as you can see, the interfaces are green now. but the router's interface, the faster Ethernet 00 interface is down because the other end is not configured yet. I will end this process and copy from pink to startup config. Yes, it's okay. For the second router, router 1, I will configure the device again. And we can see the interfaces here, it's up also, and we can see the router interface with show IP interface brief command, and as you can see the fast Ethernet 00 and the 10 interface are up. I need to copy running config to startup config to save this configuration. It's okay. Let's try to ping from PC 0 to PC 1. Our ping is unsuccessful because there are 3 networks and some networks don't know the other networks. To solve this issue, we need to enter some static routes to the routers. For example, this router knows the networks that is directly connected, but it don't know the third network. And router 1 is also know the direct connected networks, but router 1 don't know the 20 network. So let's start to enter static route and tell the third network to the router 0. Copy route. Yes, I will do the same thing in the router 1. But this time I will introduce the 30 network to the router 1 because it's not directly connected to the router 1. I'm saying that come to 20 network with 10.0.0.1 interface, because router 1 is now this interface of router 0. First he will come here and then come this network. Oh, sorry. It's okay for this router also. After the static route configuration on routers, we need to configure the default gateway of PCs. This default gateway is an exit point for a PC. Let's start with PC 0. We need to give the router's interface address as default gateway. Yes, this one. And for this PC, we need to give the router's interface address. And when we try to ping from PC0 to PC1, it will be successful now. Yes, as you can see, the ping is successful. Let's try at the other end. Yes, PC1 is also PC1 can also ping PC0. For ping, we can also get help from the right toolbar. From here, let's ping from PC0 to PC1 again, and as you can see below, it's successful. As a summary, we have 3 networks. One is between routers, and the other is between one router and PC, and the other is between one router and the other PC. In this configuration, we use 2 routers and 2 PCs. We configure the IP address of the PCs and the router interfaces. We also configured static routing on routers. For this video, it's okay. For more information and examples about packet tracer, keep on.